Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Hoppy Hopscotch from Smiling Critters. So let's get started. To draw this cute rabbit, let's first start by drawing her nose. So I'm going to start right here and draw a small little curve, and I'm going to connect it at the center with a widen out V at the bottom. Then from there, now that we have the nose in, we're going to draw two big ovals for the eyes. So let's see here. To make it a little bit easier, I find like you just come to this tip right here. It's easier for my hand. I'm just going to go up with a curve and do the same thing on this side. Go up with a curve. And now that we have these two curves in, I can go ahead and go up and then come down to create our oval. And as we do this, we're just going to try to make the top a little bit narrower and the bottom a little bit wider, and then bring it in. There, so same thing here. But play around with it. See which way is easier for you to draw for your hands. Because sometimes maybe it's easier to go this way instead of this way. And always, you can always turn your paper, your body, if you need to. But we just want to try to draw these two ovals. And then from there, we're going to come into the center and draw a big oval that's straight up and down, right in the center. And so same thing here. There. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and quickly shade this all in. And same thing here. Okay, so now that I have that, we need to draw the big smile. So we're going to come back to the center on the bottom of our nose, and we're going to go up under our eyes, go all the way up nice and wide past the eyes, and we're just going to draw this big curve. And same thing here, go under the eye and come back up past the eyes. And say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and cap it off with a curve. And same thing here, just cap it off. And then we're going to come in and in. And let's draw our big smile. So we're just going to come in here with a deep curve all the way to the bottom, and say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect it and go back up. There, nice and big. So then from there, we're going to come back to the center, find your nose. So about right here, I'm going to give myself a point, and I'm going to draw two curves for the tongue. And then we need to shade this all in. So I'm going to do that really quickly, and hopefully my Sharpie won't dry out on me. It looks like it's starting to dry out, so I might have to change it. We'll try to get as much out of this Sharpie as we can. So thank you for all your love for my smiling critters. I've drawn so many already, and so thank you for constantly requesting more. I know there's a bunch I still haven't drawn, so let me know in the comments below what you want next. Okay, you know what? I need to change my Sharpie, so give me 1 second, and let's see if this one's better. This one's a little bit better, yes. I think it's all these smiling critters that are taking a lot of my Sharpie ink. There. Okay, so now that we have this big smile in, let's make it a rabbit. So we're going to come back to the center up and come up about right here, give myself a point, and I'm just going to draw 2 curves. We're going to go around the eye and come down to about right here. So same thing here. Come down, and then about right here, I'm going to go around this smile that I've created. So I'm going to go about right here and come out and draw 2 tufts of fur and then down. So same thing here. 2 tufts of fur, so curve, and then down. So we're just going to kind of follow. We're just going to follow the curve we created for our smile, and we just want to give it this nice little edge. Let's go all the way. There. Okay, so then now let's add the ears. So I'm going to come up, say about right here, and we're going to draw 1 ear. This one's going to be flopping down, so let's say about right here. I'm going to go up and then bring it down close to the cheek area and then bring it back up. So I'm going to go up and bring it in. There. Let's round this off a little bit more. And then for some detail, let's come about right here, and we're just going to continue this curve because we need to draw some detail. So about right here, we're going to come in and draw another curve. And then for the different color, so about right here, we'll break it up. There. And so then let's draw the other ear about right here. And this one's going to be up. So about right here, let's go up. And my goal is to just try to make it approximately the same size. So let's say about right here. I'm going to bring it down and in. There, approximate. And then let's draw the inside. Just follow the shape you created and bring it all the way back in, and then cut it off the 2 colors. There. And before I forget, above each eye, we're going to come right here and just draw a curve coming down, and then just thicken the front. There. Okay, so finally we can draw the cute little body. So let's do that right underneath the tongue, right here and here. That's nice and center. And we're going to bring an angle line down on both sides. And now that we have these 2 angles, let's connect it at the bottom. So with a curve. So we're just going to bring it down a little bit more. And about right there, let's go ahead and connect. There. And then let's come back and find our center. I'm going to move to the left a little bit and to the right. Give myself a point, and from here I'm going to bring down a line. I'll just work on this foot first. So let's say about right there. Then I'm going to come about right here and angle this line a little bit so it gets wider as we come down, and say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and curve it out for our bunny feet. And about right there, go ahead and connect it with a curve. Then let's come back about right here. We're going to cut it off, and about right here, just draw 2 curves. So same thing on the other side. Just follow the other foot that you drew, and just want to try to make it approximately the same size. So about right here, bring it down, curve, and connect. Right here, curve, and curve. There. And then now for the hands, let's have the hands outstretched. So come about right here, curve it out, and about right here. Down, and then we're going to draw the fingers. So let's come out for a thumb. Then we're going to come out for 3 more of these fingers. 1, do a little space, 2, Give a little space and then one more and bring it in. And let's cut it off about right here. There. So same thing on the other side. So approximately the same. Same width, and then cut it off. And then once again, thumb, space, and then 3 of these fingers. And bring it in. There. Okay, so then now that we have the hands in, let's draw the lightning bolt right here in the center. So I'm just going to come about right here, draw an angle line, bring it down. See, so it's kind of like a zigzag. You come down, and then we're just going to connect it. And come right here and connect it. Yay! And oh, a little tail. So right here, we're just gonna go 2 little curves, which is part of our tail. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Hoppy Hopscotch from Smiling Critters. I really hope you love how this turned out. It helped you draw fun and easy. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.